YouTubers, welcome to another crowdfunding review. This time we have from Indiegogo the Pamu, and hopefully I pronounced that correctly, the Pamu Wireless Headphones. As you know, there's a couple of ones that came out, like the Apple AirPods and some other Bose and some Jabras. And let's get started. This is the packaging that came in. And this is the other packaging, the box that it came in. I have to tell you, the prices I think was only $29.99 to order. And let's see these $29.99 headsets. As you can see, it just comes in a regular box, nothing too fancy. And let's get this open. I have to tear it open. I have a knife with me. The box on the inside is different. It's a little bit more presentable. It's the Pamu Wireless Headphones, Bluetooth. As you can see here, it's stereo. Has auto on touch button control. It has a moisture splash resistant. It has a portable charging case, and it does up to 3.5 hours of playtime and 10 meters transmission range. Here. True wireless. Okay, let's go ahead and open up the box. This one's stuck to this side. Okay, here you go. There is some instructions already on how to take the headphones out. As you can see here, it says push here and turn off the lid of cradle. So it sounds kind of weird, but let's see what we do. I'm going to take the sticker off. Okay, there's a button right here that you push. Makes a sound. And you turn off. Take this plastic down the bottom here off. And as you can see here, I'm not sure if you can see, but there's these 4 LED lights for the charging portion. And close it back up again. So you would open it by clicking on this button. You hear a popping noise. And then you just turn. Yeah. You see these the headphones are here, left and right. And they go in your ears, and they look like they fit pretty comfortably. And as you can see right here, pull out this plastic, you see the L, there's an L right here for left, and an R right here for right. And there's these 2 contacts in here, and the 2 contacts in the housing. So once I put the contacts in, it will start charging. And as you can see, I do not have a battery pack with me, so you won't be able to see the charging. But I'll go ahead and try these out, and I will update this video. And I will also send a link to where you can buy it, but it's on Indiegogo. Oop. Forgot there's some other stuff in here. See, there's some instructions on how to set up the headphones. And here is the USB micro SD charger and some extra ear plugs for your size. I think these are 2 larger ones and 2 smaller ones, and the ones in here are the medium size. Looks like the ones in here are the medium size. Yep. And you can purchase these on Indiegogo. They're less than $50. It does take some time to get in, probably 2 to 3 weeks, probably 3 weeks, 3 to 4 weeks before you receive them, since they ship overseas. Please subscribe, as I will be doing more reviews once I get more crowdfunding items in. Thank you.